Alright. What are you doing? What are you doing? Hey, your seatbelt's not buckled.
No.
You know what happens if your seatbelt's not buckled?
I can't do.
There you go. There you go. What would have happened if you didn't buckle your seatbelt? And where do they take you?
Jail.
And you don't want to go there, do you?
No.
Because you're a good girl?
Mm-hmm.
How come you...
Do we talk to them?
Talk to who?
Talk to the cops in jail.
Do we talk to the cops in jail?
Yeah, they're nice, but when the people drink bad water and they take it to jail.
When the people drink bad water, they get taken to jail?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah.
But you don't like bad water, do you?
No.
No, you only like good water.
Mm-hmm.
That's right.
You don't have your seatbelt on.
Oh, no. What happens if I don't put my seatbelt on?
The police come in for your jail.
Okay. There, my seatbelt's on.
But,
What now?
be quiet.
Be quiet? Why, are the police coming?
No.
No?
No.
Then why do we have to be quiet?
Because the cop, the name's going to be mad.
Because the neighbors are going to be mad?
Yeah.
Oh. Okay, I'll be quiet. What do we do now? You want to go down the driveway? I think you're a little too young to drive, don't you? Yeah, I'm sorry. Well, how about this? In 14 years, I'll let you drive my car, okay?
Okay.
I promise. Does that make you happy? What's wrong? What's wrong? You want to drive the car now? Oh, honk the horn. What? The neighbor's gonna get mad? Okay, we won't honk it then. You want to go inside and eat ice cream?
Ice cream?
You want to go get ice cream?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.